In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Robinhood tax documents. Let's dive right in to make sure you can access your important tax information without any hassle. First, we'll start with the Robinhood app. Open the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Once you have it open, you will want to tap on the account icon. This icon looks like a little person, and you'll find it on the bottom of your screen. This step is crucial because it takes you to your personal account settings. Next up, once you're in the account section, look for the menu icon. It appears as three horizontal lines. Tap on it. This will open up a menu with various options. From this menu, locate and select the Tax Center. The Tax Center is where all your tax documents are conveniently stored. It's the hub for anything tax-related on Robinhood. At this point, you can download your tax document. Whether you need your consolidated 1099 or another form, you can find it here. You also have the option to share the document, which allows you to save the PDF directly to your device. This step is essential because it ensures you have a copy of your tax documents for future reference or filing. Remember, having a saved copy can save you time if you need to access your documents later. Now, let's switch gears and talk about accessing your tax documents on the Robinhood website. Start by signing in to your Robinhood account. Make sure you use your correct login credentials. Once you're logged in, head over to the account section. From there, navigate to the Tax Center. This is similar to the app, giving you a consistent experience whether you're on your phone or computer. After reaching the Tax Center on the website, you'll need to select the tax year and document you are interested in. This feature is handy because it lets you access documents from multiple years, making it easier to compare or check past filings. Once you have selected the document you need, download the PDF version of the form. Robinhood often notes that large tax documents may be easier to download from the web version. It's a good tip to keep in mind if you run into any issues on the app. Having a reliable copy of your tax documents is crucial for your records and any potential audits. Now, let's address a common concern. What if your Robinhood account is closed? Even if that's the case, don't worry. You can still generally access your tax documents through the Tax Center after signing in. This feature is incredibly helpful because it allows you to retrieve important documents even after you've closed your account. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to access and download your Robinhood tax documents with ease. Keeping these documents organized is important for your personal financial management and tax filing. Remember, having these documents readily available can save you from stress during tax season. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide makes managing your Robinhood tax documents simple and straightforward. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out for support. Have a great day and happy investing.